If you are still stuffing pages with the exact same search phrases over and over, you're running a playbook Google retired years ago. Today, Google relies on interconnected AI systems like BERT and RankBrain. Instead of counting keywords, these systems scan for semantic meaning, context, and genuine local expertise behind every page. In this tutorial, we will perform a technical site audit and build a topical authority roadmap designed specifically to help your New Zealand business dominate local search. By clearing technical hurdles and structuring your site to prove real, hands-on expertise, you can systematically outrank larger, generalized competitors who rely on outdated tactics. Step 1 is a technical audit. Before you spend time writing a single new piece of content, we have to find the errors dragging your current site down. We are targeting two specific problems. The first is thin content, pages with very low word counts that offer little value to a reader. The second is orphan pages, pages that exist on your site but have zero internal links pointing to them. To find these, run your website through any SEO crawler. In your crawler's interface, set your filters to show low word count and zero inlinks. The tool will generate a list of problem URLs that you need to either update, consolidate, or delete entirely. While you review those errors, check your mobile performance. Google now exclusively indexes the mobile version of your site. If your mobile layout is broken or fails core web vitals like load speed and visual stability, your content will not rank. Clearing out these dead pages and fixing mobile errors removes the technical blockers that prevent Google systems from trusting your site. Once the foundation is clean, we can move to content. Step 2 is finding out exactly what your customers are looking for. To do this, we use Google Search Console to identify high-opportunity content topics based on actual search behavior. Open your Google Search Console dashboard and navigate to the Search Results tab. Make sure to click and enable both the total impressions and total clicks metrics. This dashboard shows a data table of search queries. We are looking for a specific row where your site appears often, but users rarely click. Here we see cost of commercial solar panels NZ, generating thousands of impressions, but only a handful of clicks. This discrepancy reveals a topic Kiwi customers clearly care about, but your current content fails to satisfy their specific search intent, so they click on someone else. Identifying this gap gives you a data-backed target. Instead of guessing what to write about, you now have the exact topic needed to anchor your content strategy. Step 3 shifts our focus to a core entity. Rather than isolating single keywords, we need to cover the entire real-world concept surrounding the topic we just found. This diagram compares the two approaches. Statically repeating heat pumps Auckland with a high keyword density is an outdated tactic. What Google rewards now is the right side, a broad map of concepts, connecting heat pumps to energy efficiency, the New Zealand climate, and installation costs. To execute this, draft what is called a pillar page. This is a massive, definitive guide designed to answer the broad intent of your core topic. As the document outline shows, you break the entity down into major subsections, like rebates, installation processes, and battery types. When writing these sections, answer the main user questions directly within the first 200 to 300 words. This satisfies Google's passage ranking system, which often pulls precise answers from deep within long guides. A properly structured pillar page acts as the definitive anchor of your expertise. It proves to Google's AI that your business understands the complete context of the user's need. Step 4 expands the structure. A single pillar page is strong, but it requires a supporting cast of detailed articles to truly establish topical authority. Map out 4 to 5 supporting articles. These should target the niche, specific questions your customers frequently ask about the broader topic. This diagram shows a hub-and-spoke model. Every single supporting article you publish must contain an internal link pointing back to your central pillar page. This internal linking structure makes your topical authority flow directly upward to the main guide. Within these supporting articles, add People Also Ask FAQ sections. Apply FAQ schema markup to the code so Google can instantly recognize the relationships between the questions and your answers. Make sure to clearly credit the authors on these pages with their verified credentials. This builds the experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust required by Google's helpful content system. This interconnected web of a pillar page and supporting cluster is the exact architecture Google requires to crown your site as a recognized authority. You now have a clean technical foundation and a strategic content roadmap ready for 2026. Remember that the helpful content system demands real first-hand experience. Publishing mass AI rewrites without authentic local Kiwi insight will severely penalize your site. This chart illustrates normal search volatility. Positions move constantly due to continuous algorithm recalculations. Do not panic over jagged daily ranking drops. Instead, focus on the macro trend line across a 3 to 6 month period. Treating SEO as a long-term investment in genuine, structured expertise is the blueprint to dominating the Google search landscape. Get writing.